Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel.
I eat breakfast every day.
I'm eating breakfast now.
She plays soccer on weekends.
She's playing soccer at the moment.
He reads books in the evening.
He is reading a book right now.
He writes emails often.
He is writing emails currently.
We study English every week.
He is studying English at the moment.
I go to the park sometimes.
I'm going to the park now.
She watches movies regularly.
She is watching a movie right now.
He walks to work every day.
He is walking to work at the moment.
I listen to music.
I am listening to music now.
I drink coffee in the morning.
I am drinking coffee at the moment.
She cooks dinner every night.
She is cooking dinner right now.
He swims in the pool often.
He is swimming in the pool currently.
They clean their house on Saturdays.
They are cleaning their house now.
We dance at parties sometimes.
We are dancing at the party right now.
I work from home every day.
I am working from home currently.
She shops for groceries every week.
She is shopping for groceries now.
He helps his friends often.
He is helping his friend at the moment.
They travel during the summer.
They are traveling this week.
I sing songs in the shower.
I'm singing a song right now.
She drives to school every day.
She's driving to school at the moment.
He talks to his parents every week.
He is talking to his parents now.
They exercise in the morning.
They are exercising in the gym currently.
I call my sister every Sunday.
I am calling my sister right now.
She paints pictures in her free time.
She is painting a picture at the moment.
We play games together often.
We are playing games together now.